Okay. Hope everybody is doing great. So now I'm going to show you how you can upload the thumbnail to each courses. Means, say for example, if you just go here in the course section, you will be able to see this is the main thumbnail you will see. But whenever it comes to these each chapters, so you must be aware or wondering, so how do we update this? I'm going to show you that how exactly you can do. So directly you cannot update anywhere here because it will not give you any option to upload. So that's why what you will have to do is you will have to directly come to this video data. In this video data, you must have uploaded a lot of data here in the open gallery. If you just go and then if you would have selected video and then updated some sort of data here. Now you will have to go to this space. For example, I'll just go here. Then there are a lot of things, so which are coming, right? So now here there is one option called uh, thumbnail set. So now I'm going here and I have already saved some files. So of one of my coach. So that I'm going to update here. Let's say, so I'm going to select this. So this I'm going to select and I'm going to update. So it will take another 1 minute of time. So once it is done, so then it will reflect here. Then you don't need to save anything. It will auto save. Then afterwards, so if you just directly come to your login dashboard, so you will be able to see here as this data is been, the thumbnail is been already updated. So that you will be able to see. I'll just show you. So for each things already I have updated everything. If you just come here as a just a demo thing, what I'm showing you right now. If you just come here for everything, I have updated the thumbnail. So this is how you will be able to see. So these are the thumbnails what I've updated. So this is how you can update the thumbnail for each chapter. I hope this small video helped you how we can update the thumbnail. So thank you so much.